signals about the worrying situation in Tibet towards the European institutions, the media and the public. The escalating situation in Sichuan is an indicator of the deeply repressive climate in Tibet today and points to the need for the international community to make robust representations to China, to address their failed policies and to urgently allow monks and nuns space to practice their religion. We ask to send a fact-finding commission in Tibet, and we really strongly recommend to appoint a European representative for Tibet. We call on the European Union to adopt a public statement on these events, urging the Chinese authorities to respect human rights in Sichuan province, as in all other Tibetan areas, to prevent an escalation of similar acts.